Before beginning, you must remove the diffuser lens assembly from the housing. Flip the 4 locking tabs outward and pull up on the 2 mylar tabs to remove the assembly as shown. Set it aside for installation later. First, determine a desired location for the diffuser. In this instance, we will be installing it in a hallway. Cut a 10 to 12 inch length of wire from the flex tube and strip off the reflective material, leaving the wire bare. Put a bend in the wire and insert it into the ceiling where the desired location would be, and push it further up to secure. From inside the attic, find the wire location and measure the distance between the nearest surrounding joists and mark the center close to the wire entry point. Then push the lead edge of the wire back down through the ceiling where you made the second mark. This will center the location between the ceiling joists and keep it as close as possible to your desired location for the diffuser. Now pull the wire out from the first position, leaving it in the centered position between the ceiling joists. With the center marked between the ceiling joists, you can now remove the wire and attach a drywall screw into the hole. Using a string with 2 loops that measure 7.5 inches in length, use the pencil to draw a circle around the screw. The size of the circle should be 15 inches when complete. Now, using the sheetrock cutting saw, cut out the circle. Before inserting the diffuser housing through the ceiling opening, turn the 4 hold-down tabs inward so they will clear the hole. With the housing in position, move the tabs outward before tightening. Use a power drill with a Phillips head bit to secure the tabs as shown. Make sure not to over-tighten them.